In Google Sheet, we have a very limited feature available to format a chart. But in this video, I'm going to show you a tricky way to create some advanced chart. Now in this chart, you can see name of category, total amount, and the percentage based on the total amount. Along with this, if the value is max, the color will be green. If the value is min, the color will be red. How we can create this amazing chart, I'm going to show you each and everything in this video. Consider I have this simple data sheet. The first thing I will show you how to create a basic bar chart using simple sparkline function, and then step by step we will improve the chart and I will show you each and every thing. The first thing, I will increase the width of column F a little bit more. Now after the data set, somewhere below we need to type a sparkline function. So in this case I will click F11 and simply type sparkline function, open parentheses. Now this function needs two parameters. Where is the data and what are the optional parameters? So for the data set, I will simply click C3, hit comma, and for the optional parameter, I will simply Alt Enter. Now open curly bracket, and now we need to type what is the chart type. So simply type chart type, quotation mark again, hit comma. I'm going to close this one. For the chart type, in this case, I will define bar chart. Now I need to hit semicolon and Alt Enter again. The next parameter we need to define the max value. So again I will type quotation mark max value, quotation mark again, hit comma. And for the max value we need to type max function, open parenthesis, and now simply select entire range. Now hit F4 key to lock the reference, close parenthesis, and now hit again semicolon, Alt Enter. Now the last parameter in this case we need to define the color. So for color I will simply type quotation mark color 1, quotation mark again, hit comma. In this case I will simply type, let's say, blue, quotation mark again, close curly bracket, and now simply close parenthesis, hit enter. Now I will simply drag this formula till the end of my data sheet. So for example, you can see my data is available till this bar. Now in this case we simply type a blue color. What if I want a light blue color? So the first thing, somewhere on the cell, simply select any color you want, let's say this light blue color. Now click again on fill color, plus button, and now simply copy the hex code, hit Ctrl C, hit OK, and now click on sparkline function again. Instead of this blue, simply remove this one, hit Ctrl V to paste a hex code, and now simply hit enter. And now I will drag this formula till the end of my data sheet. Now we need to change the color of bar based on the value. So for example, if the value is max, I want a green fill color. If the value is min, I want a red fill color, and anything else will be formatted as the blue fill color. So for this, we need to update our formula. The first thing, I will click here and simply remove everything including my hex code. Alt Enter. Alt Enter is not necessary. I'm just using to format my formula. Simply type if condition, if, open parenthesis. Now click on C3, type equal. We need to type a max function, open parenthesis, and now simply select my entire data set. Hit F4 key to lock the reference, close parenthesis. So if the C3 value is equal to the max value in my range, hit comma, then in this case I want a green fill color. Hit comma again, Alt Enter. Now simply type if condition again, if, open parenthesis, if the value in C3 equal to main function, open parenthesis, and now simply select my entire data sheet. Hit F4 key to lock the reference, close curly bracket, close parenthesis, hit comma. Then in this case I want a red fill color. Hit comma, otherwise I want a blue fill color. Now we need to type close parenthesis for if condition, close parenthesis for another if condition, and now close curly bracket and close parenthesis for sparkline function, hit enter. Now I will simply drag this formula till the end of my data set. Of course, we need to change the color. Instead of this standard green, red, blue, we need to select a light color. So the same procedure we need to do. Click here, simply copy the hex code. And now I will hit enter. Now we simply need to drag this formula till the end of my data set. The next step, we need to insert a one single blank row after each and every bar. So I will click here. We need to insert a one blank row. Now I will simply select all of my bar and simply move this on a top area. I will click this cell and simply reset a color. The next thing, we need to increase the height of rows where we have a bar. So what I need to do, I will select, let's say row number 3, hold control key, we need to select all of the rows where we have a bars. And now simply increase the height. And if you want to increase the width, you can also increase those as well. Now we need to create formula for our data label. If you want to calculate a percentage here, you can simply calculate those as well. Let's say percentage. Simply type equal, select the current cell, divide by some function, open parenthesis, select my entire data set, hit F4 key, close parenthesis, hit enter, and now simply convert this into a percentage and drag till the end of data set. The next thing, I will click here, we need to prepare a data label. So in this case, I will simply type text join function. The first parameter, we need to define a delimiter. Simply type quotation mark space, space, quotation mark again. If I click on question mark, the next parameter is ignore empty. So I'm going to simply ignore this parameter. And now we need to define text 1, text 2 and text 3. So first I will click my category name, hit comma. Now we need to type text function, open parenthesis. What is the value? This is the value, hit comma. For the format, in this case, I want dollar, hash, comma, hash, hash, quotation mark again, close parenthesis for text function, hit comma. And again, we need to convert the percentage value into a text percentage. So I'm going to type text function again, open parenthesis. Simply click on D3, hit comma. For the format, in this case, I will type 0.0%. Quotation mark again, close parenthesis, and now simply close parenthesis for text join, hit enter, and drag this formula till the end of data set. Now our data label are ready. What I need to do, click on the very first cell, type equal, and select one by one. Now we need to do a little bit more formatting. The first thing, I will click on view. We need to off the grid line. The next thing, we need to hide helper calculations. So I'm going to select my percentage value and simply assign a white font color. I'm going to select this and simply assign a white font color. Now I need to decrease the width of this column E a little bit. And the next step, I need to merge a few cells here. Just for title, simply assign a light gray color. Now we need to decrease the width of column G a little bit. I will select all of these, including one extra, and simply assign a light border color. I think if I insert a one row on the top, and I will click this light fill color and simply apply border on this one as well. The next step, I will click each and every bar, simply apply a lower borders. Now hit F4 key and this will apply our last action. Now I will click on my original chart and simply double click to copy my title. Hit Ctrl C, click here, double click, Ctrl V. Now we need to change direction of text. So in this case, I will select, let's say, from bottom to top. We need to center a line. I'm going to increase a little bit the font size. Hit Ctrl B to make it bold. And this is how we can create this amazing chart.